Stop paying for AI video tools. TikTok Symphony is completely free, and it can generate product ads, AI avatars, image animations, video translations, and even write prompts for you. In this video, I'll test every feature, reveal the best settings, and show you which ones are actually worth using. This is the main event. Creative Studio is where video actually gets made. It's free, and everything here is powered by TikTok's Dreamina Sedence 2 video model. In just a moment, I'll also show you how to get the complete prompt guide for free. First, open your browser and search for TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. Click on Get Started, then click Sign Up Now to create new account. Don't skip this step, otherwise you won't be able to create your account. Fill in your account details carefully and click Sign Up Now. For the best experience, choose the same options I'm selecting so you can follow every step without any confusion. Check your inbox, copy the verification code, and enter it here to confirm your email address. Every week, TikTok refreshes your account with 1,000 free credits, giving you plenty of resources to create lots of AI-generated videos. Let's go through each mode. Before you continue, make sure you've selected the video option. After selecting the text-to-video feature, simply describe the video you want to generate or upload an image or video, and the AI will automatically extract a prompt for you. Here's a demo prompt. A person unboxing a skincare product on a marble countertop, morning light, upbeat mood. Let's see the magic. This feature is a game changer for beginners. In just one click, it can transform a simple idea into something much more detailed and creative. Once you've entered your idea, all you need to do is set the video length to 12 seconds. This 12-second video will cost 12 credits to generate. Click Generate. It will take only 1 to 5 minutes to create this video. Text-to-video needs 0 assets, just a written idea. It's best for early concept testing, not your final ad. Use it to test a hook or a vibe before you commit to a full production. Now check this out.
Okay, let's see what we've got. A little bit of everything. And look at this. It's the new Mario Bedescu AHRA Beam HRA P-Por Minizibber. I'm so excited to try this.
The animation is smooth and looks natural overall, although it can feel slightly floaty at times. Hand interactions occasionally show clipping and object glitches, but the lighting remains consistent throughout. Lip sync. Good overall, but mouth movements aren't fully accurate, and facial expressions feel limited. The voice is clear and engaging, but it may mispronounce certain product names. It also lacks natural breathing pauses, which makes the narration sound slightly robotic in some places. Now, let's move on to my favorite feature, image to video. This tool lets you bring a static image to life with realistic motion. Your uploaded image becomes the very first frame of the video. To demonstrate, I'm going to create a product image. I'll simply type skincare cream. For the image generation model, you can choose either Nano Banana or Flux Context Max. Personally, I prefer Nano Banana because it delivers more realistic results. Click Generate, and the AI will create 4 image variations for you. If you want to add or remove anything, click the pencil icon. Then enter your edit prompt. For this example, I'll type, add some coconuts. Within seconds, the AI will automatically add the coconuts while keeping the rest of the image consistent. Once you're happy with the image, click Generate Video to bring it to life. To make the process even easier, you can choose from a variety of ready-made animation templates. For this example, I'm going to use the ingredients fall effect. Next, set the video length to 12 seconds before generating it. Now click Generate, and the AI will create a video using your selected image and apply the template's animation automatically. Now see the result. The scene has a cinematograph-style aesthetic, with the main product remaining perfectly still, while the flower petals and coconut pieces gently move around it. Some of the falling elements slightly morph as they animate, but the lighting stays consistent throughout the shot. Next, head over to the Avatars tab and choose a stock avatar, which is a licensed AI actor. You can choose between AI-generated avatars and real human avatars. To find the perfect one, use the filters to narrow your options by avatar ID, industry, gender, background, style, or region. For this demo, I'm going to use this avatar. Every avatar has a unique appearance and style, so feel free to choose the one that best fits your project. You can also mark your favorite avatars by clicking the heart icon. That way, you'll be able to find them quickly later in the favorites section. Once you've selected your avatar, paste in your script and choose a voice that best matches your content. Before we generate the video, let's listen to a few voice samples so we can pick the best one.
This is my voice. Give it a try.
This is my voice. Give it a try.
After selecting the voice, click Generate. Before rendering, you can listen to a voice preview. But keep in mind that the final lip sync will only be visible after the video has been rendered.
Please like and subscribe to Belva AI for more videos like this.
When everything looks good, click Generate Again to create the video. Once the rendering is complete, you'll find all of your generated videos in the library section.
Please like and subscribe to Belva AI for more videos like this.
Now let's take a look at the Translate and Dub feature. If you're expanding into new markets, this feature is a huge time saver. It takes a single video and dubs it into an entirely different language while automatically adjusting the speaker's lip movements to match the new audio. You have two options: upload a video from your computer, or simply select one of your AI-generated videos and dub it into another language. Start by uploading an existing video that you'd like to translate. I will dub it in Spanish.
Okay, let's see what we've got. A little bit of everything. And look at this. It's the new Mario Bedescu AHRA Beam HRA P-Por Minizibber. I'm so excited to try this.
Then, open the Translate and Dub section and choose your target language from the available options. I'll select Spanish. If you want subtitles, you can add them here. Later, I'll show you exactly how to edit and customize them to match your style. Once you've selected the language, click Generate. After the process is complete, preview the video to see how the AI automatically adjusts the lip sync to match the translated speech.
Vale, vamos a ver qué tenemos. Un poco de todo. Y mira esto, es el nuevo Mario Badescu AHA Beam AHA PH Minizibber ahora. Tengo muchas ganas de probarlo.
That means no refilming, no hiring voice actors, and no complicated editing. Just upload, translate, and you're ready to reach a global audience. Next, let's head over to the Product Avatar tool. Start by uploading your product images or videos, either from your computer or directly from the asset library. For this example, I'm going to use this bag. Next, choose the avatar you want to use. I like this one, so I'll select it. Once everything is set, click Generate. The AI will create 4 different product images for you. Pick the one you like best. Now it's time to add your narration. Next, click Edit VoiceOver to customize your narration. From here, you can upload your own audio recording or simply paste your script to generate the voiceover. There are plenty of high-quality male and female voices to choose from. Pick the one that matches your content and style. Need a faster or slower narration? Simply adjust the voice speed. Then, with one click, you can translate your voiceover into multiple languages and reach a global audience. Want captions in your video? Just enable them here with a single click. Take a close look. The preview doesn't show the final lip sync. It will be fully applied once the video finishes rendering. Once everything is set, click Generate to render your video and preview the final version.
Designed for modern lifestyles, this bag offers the perfect balance of elegance, durability, and functionality. Wherever you go, carry it with confidence.
Now, let me show you a few more examples of how to write effective motion and movement prompts. The wings of the perfume bottle flap up and down quickly as the perfume is carried into the sky. Now, let's see how it turned out. For the best results, clearly describe every movement in the scene, how the subject moves, how objects interact, and even how the background behaves. Detailed motion prompts create much more realistic animations. Next, let's see what happens when we use a simple prompt. A perfume bottle with a box. Hit Enter to see result. Next, let's remix this video into 4 unique versions, each with a different voiceover style and perfectly matched captions. As you can see, I've already created 4 different versions. Let me show you exactly how I did it. To access this feature, simply select the Remix Videos option. Now upload a video or image from your computer, or choose one of your previously generated videos. For this demonstration, I'm going to use this perfume video. Give your project a name for this example. I'll name it Perfume. The product description field is optional, so you can leave it blank if you'd like. Next, configure your video settings. Choose your preferred language, but for this tutorial, I'll leave it set to English. Now choose your video length 15 or 30 seconds. Personally, I always go with the recommended option because it consistently delivers the best quality. Now that the generation is complete, you'll have 4 different video versions. Let's go through them one by one and see how they turned out.
You have to try this perfume. I thought the smell was amazing. It is. And it's long-lasting. So go and get it for yourself. You will love it.
I've tried so many fragrances, and the way they make me feel has changed. I'm wearing Memoirs of Light by Baccarat Rouge, and I highly recommend it.
Do you like a mystery? How about a mystery that smells amazing? Check this out. This perfume gives you a fragrance so exclusive you'll never smell like anyone else. Amazing.
the new arrival, and that is for our home fragrance collections. Black is very inviting, and we have a wide selection. This is just a few, all of them free shipping.
Before we wrap up, let me show you where to find TikTok Symphony's complete prompt guide. It will help you write better prompts and get consistently amazing results. Before you continue, make sure you're in the text-to-video mode. Then simply click Prompt Guide to access the full prompt writing guide. This guide covers everything you need to create professional AI content, including images, videos, product ads, marketing campaigns, and more. Now you know how to use TikTok Symphony to create amazing AI videos. But here's the truth. Great videos start with great prompts. If your prompts aren't good, your AI results won't be either. That's why I made another complete guide where I reveal the best AI video prompt generator of 2026, and it's 100% free. Click the video on your screen now, and I'll show you how to generate professional prompts in seconds. I'll see you there.